Welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers. Today we will discuss about EMF and potential difference. What is EMF? EMF, or simply electromotive force, is the energy transport per unit charge when other type of energy is converted into electrical energy. Formula of EMF: electrical energy transport upon charge, or simply we can say E is equal to W by Q, where W represents electrical energy transport and Q represents the charge. The definition tells us two things: that EMF is measured in joules per coulomb, and another that it always deals with supply of electrical energy. Potential difference. Potential difference is the electrical energy transport per unit charge when electrical energy is converted into another form of energy. Potential difference is the energy per unit charge. Its unit is volt. And formula of potential difference is V is equal to W by Q, where W represents work done and Q represents charge. Now we will see sources of EMF. There are several types of sources of EMF. Firstly, chemical cell, dynamo, mains dynamo at power station, photovoltaic cell we call as solar cell, piezoelectrical crystal, gas lighter. These are several types of sources of EMF. EMFs can be added in series or in parallel. Some important points of EMF and potential difference. A battery maintains an electric field through the circuit. This enables it to do work on charge wherever there is a potential difference, example in a filament. Electromotive force is the energy supplied per unit charge, work done on each coulomb of charge. Potential difference PD is the energy transport per unit charge between 2 points in a circuit, work done by each coulomb of charge. Unit for both is volt or joule by coulomb. Now we will see difference between EMF and potential difference. EMF is the driving electric force from a cell or generator. Potential difference results from the current passing through a resistance with a circuit. EMF is the cause. Potential difference is the effect. The EMF is also present even when no current is drawn through the battery. Potential difference across the conductor is zero in the absence of current. The unit of EMF is volt. The unit of potential difference is also volt. EMF remains constant. Potential difference does not remain constant, it depends upon the circuit condition. EMF symbol is E and potential difference symbol is V. EMF does not depend on the circuit resistance. Potential difference depends on the resistance between 2 points of measurement. Example of EMF and potential difference. A simple battery used to power a circuit. Normally on the outer package of battery itself the voltage is stated, often 1.5 volts for single cell alkaline cell. However, it is found that when battery is in the use, its voltage will fall, especially when larger loads are applied and it becomes older and it has been used. Even when the cell or battery is new, some voltage drop will be seen when it supply currents. The reason for this is that there is some resistance inside the cell. Second point. From this, it is possible to define EMF as the driving potential within any electric or electronic source regardless of any internal resistance. It is effectively the voltage seen on the output of the source, that is battery, etc., when it is measured with the higher impedance and no load. It is the internal voltage of cell. The EMF or a source and the potential difference are the same when no load is applied to the source. As load is applied to, potential difference will fall but EMF remains same. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers.